nakautot ikaw? Utot, utot. Yes. Oh, is that smelly utot? Is that smelly bum bum utot?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. My birthday decorations.
Yeah, we didn't get decorations.
Why?
My mama said.
It's okay. We can get some decoration for you.
But my birthday is finished already.
That's okay. You can do your birthday later again.
Again?
Yeah.
Two things that's very important in life: health and time.
Yeah.
Because both of them, once they're gone, you can't get it back.
Correct. Good morning, everyone.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to Paris's channel and Celine's channel.
No, he's not.
Huh?
Those.
What? It's Paris's and Celine's channel.
Why?
Because you're my two princesses.
No.
What? No.
No.
What are you trying to say?
No.
No. You're my mama's princess. And today is the day after mama's birthday. So yesterday, guys, I celebrated my big 3-0.
But
Yes.
you didn't get the decoration.
Yeah, I didn't get decoration. I know, no. I know.
Why?
I should have, yeah.
Why?
Because I'll just save it for you. For your birthday next year.
But you showed me the picture with the rainbow in it.
Yeah, I know. We'll just save it for your birthday, okay? So yesterday, guys, hindi kami nakapag-vlog because I just wanted it to be a lazy, relaxing day for me. You know, like it's my day and gusto ko lang parang ewan ko, ayoko lang mag-vlog. So I spent the time with my girls, of course, and with Daddy Mike. And Daddy Mike was working. So wala talaga kaming bonggang-bonggang ginawang celebration yesterday because nung Tuesday kasi was my second dose of my vaccine, right? So sa isip ko parang, oh my God, if I get sick or whatever, baka ma-cancel lang yung mga ano tawag ito, yung magiging appointment namin, ganun. So, tapos hindi naman kami makakapag celebrate sa labas with friends and all because it's weekdays nga, guys. So, alam nyo naman yung mga tao dito working. So, we need like enough notice sa kanila para makapunta. But, yeah, I had a very enjoyable and just very relaxing day yesterday, guys, with my loved ones here. So Daddy Mike in the morning, he went out to grab me a cake and a card, which is very, very sweet. And also last night nag-dinner kami sa labas. So kami lang with Paris, Celine, and Daddy Mike. Pumunta kami ng Asian restaurant. And we had soup for dinner. And yeah, for me that was very special na, guys. To be able to spend my special day with my special people. Ito sila, ang aking si baby sila natin ay nandun, guys. Oh, nanonood ng kanyang nursery rhyme. Sayaan nila, baka umiyak yan siya. Oh, naririnig niyo ang kanyang smiling, laughing. Daddy Mike made it very special yesterday in a very simple way, and as emotional as I am, of course, ayan, umiyak ako sa harapan nito ng mga anak ko, Daddy Mike, kasi for me, you know, enough na sa akin na knowing that, you know, I reached this age, alam niyo yun, I was, you know, not well last week dahil nga sa kidney stone. And I'm just very happy and very glad, very blessed na nandito ako ngayon na masiselebrate ko kasama yung pamilya ko. And yeah, my family in the Philippines, guys, nag-celebrate din sila for me. So they went sa isang resort, naligo sila, they got some food and everything, and you know, I got greetings from around the world, you know what I mean, from family. And for me, that's, you know, more than enough, guys. Seriously, for me now, having good health is very important. And you know, huy, anak ko, what are you doing? Are you calling the police?
No.
I've got my Ate Paris here, my baby Celine, they're all healthy. Baby Celine is starting to get better now with her cold, so you know, that's a plus as well. Daddy Mike is healthy, my family in the Philippines, they're all healthy. That's all I can ask. Wala na ako ibang hihilingin pa, guys. Kasi, you know, yung mga material na bagay, obviously meron tayong mga material na bagay na binibigay sa atin. Right? I got something from Daddy Mike, hindi mawawala yan. But that is nothing compared to good health. Guys, good health talaga. After kong nagkasakit, after kong na-admit sa hospital, last week ba yun? No. A week before. Yeah, I just realized na sobrang importante talaga yung health. Kaya yun. Anyways, regarding my second vaccination, guys, second dose, thankfully wala din akong masyadong naramdaman. Like, even headache, wala akong naramdaman na ganun. So, fingers crossed, wala na. Kasi ano naman eh, two days later na. So, I should be alright. I hope so. Oh my God. So yeah, I said bye already to my 20s. Bye 20s. There's lots of things happened to me during my 20s, guys. From my 20s to 29, seriously, there's lots of ups and downs. But, you know, I am here now, and I'm opening and starting the other decade of my life happy and blessed. And, you know, looking forward to what's going to happen in the next decade. Yes, Anna. And yeah, all I can say is I'm super blessed, guys. I'm super blessed that I am here, sitting now, talking to you. I'm just going to drop Ate Paris sa school niya. Si Daddy Mike natin ay wala dito ngayon because he's got an appointment for his hair. If you've seen his hair, sobrang taas na ng tubo ng buhok niya. And since open na yung hairdresser,
So I'm going to school.
you're going to school. Are you excited? So where's Daddy going?
To the shop.
The shop? Where?
To the haircut shop.
Hairdresser, yeah. He's going to color his hair, I think, and cut, of course. And then, yeah.
Which color is that?
So ako lang yung magdadrop nito. And you know what? It's, yes, anak.
Which color is the hair going to be?
Pink. A hair? I don't know. Maybe blonde again. It's raining now outside, which doesn't help kasi
No, I don't like
mahirapan
blonde
ako
hair.
ngayon. You don't like blonde hair?
No,
What color hair would you like?
I like blonde hair.
What is it?
I like blonde hair.
Black hair?
No.
I
Long
like your
hair.
hair.
Long hair.
You want long hair?
Long hair.
Long hair?
No, long hair.
Oh, black hair? What color is your hair?
Brown.
Alam, umiyak na. Pero alam nyo, organize kasi kami ni Daddy Mike ng ang tawag dito, ng dinner with friends. So, again, nasabi ko na, kailangan na notice yung mga tao dito kasi nga work, diba? So, maybe not this weekend, the weekend after, we're going to organize dinner with our friends. And, yeah, so, dun ko na i-celebrate talaga yung birthday ni mami niyo. And ang ating anak ay paiyak-iyak na dito kasi nandito sa floor. Yes, the little one. Lagyan ng chupon para hindi umiyak. Yes, anak.
I wanna drive the car and I see Daddy on seat. I wanna do that.
You wanna do that? Okay. Okay, are we going now? Nakula, it's raining. Nako. Paano na lang ito? Paano ko dalhin itong mga bulinggit na to?
I wanna go.
How are you? Wanna go? Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Baby Celine, andito siya sa floor kay nanonood man siya.
And he's really beautiful.
Is she beautiful?
Yeah.
Why is she beautiful, anak?
Because he loves Paris.
Oh, she looks like Paris. Oh, Paris. Hanginan mo na ko eh.
Mom, check what's in my bucket, like the one, like the my sky, Everest one.
Yeah, check it then.
I wanna see what's inside my bucket.
Okay. Hayaan nyo na guys, oh, kailangan pa yung ano yun sa likuran, oh. Kailangan pa namin i-tupi.
But can you get my
Your?
sky and Everest dress, please? I want to see something on my bucket.
Okay.
There's lots of hearts in my bucket.
There's stickers.
Yeah, dry stickers.
Which one?
Dry ones in the side.
Here's my baby, Celine. Ang baby big girl. Uy, I hope it stops raining na. Shall we go now, anak? We'll go now, anak, before it rains hard, nak. Celine, big girl ni mama. Oy, big girl sa mama na tang-tang na. Push. Push.
A few moments later.
Time check, it's now 12:05 ng hapon na nandito pa kami sa sasakyan. So we just parked outside Ate Paris' school. Uy, gusto na niyang umalis guys, gusto na niyang pumunta. But then as you can see, it's raining. Ayan. Mahihirapan ako kasi paano ko to siya i-ano. Anak, enough with that one. Sumbagong taga ka ron. Enough with that one ha, last one, okay? And how do you call it? Nawala na gusto kong istorya na. So, mahirapan akong ilabas to guys kasi dalawa silang ilalabas ko. So, I have to carry Celine as well. Kasi walang may iwan dito sa sasakyan kasi kami lang tatlo.
Mom?
And then,
No,
yeah, ito din siya.
one for you.
That's okay. I'm alright, sweetheart. Just leave it there, okay?
Just when I finish at school and I can have some more.
Yeah, if you're being a good girl.
And win the race too.
You don't have to win the race, Nak. You're always a winner for mommy. You're always the best for mommy.
What? But I need to do a race again. I want to race again to have a winner cup.
Okay.
I like winner cups.
You have winner cups? You like to win, don't you?
Yes.
Tingnan yung isa dun o tulog.
I don't want to miss. I want to win.
You don't wanna lose?
No. Cause I win the race of the game.
Yeah. Didn't you say Mary got upset last time because she didn't win?
Yes. He did.
He or she?
Yeah.
She?
She.
Yeah, she's a girl, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you gotta remember, honey, you gotta remember, if ever, because in life we don't always win, okay? We can always try our best. Like in running, you can run really fast. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But if you lose,
You don't have any medals or some.
yeah, you don't have any medals if you lose. But then, you have to be sport. You have to be, you have to be happy still, even if you lose. You know what I mean? Next time, you just try better. Okay?
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah. You don't cry if you lose. Because, that's life enough.
Do you get angry when you lose?
I don't get angry when I lose.
My
I'll
bad.
just try again. And be better next time. Show Tito what you're eating. Yeah, sit down there because they can see you. What is that?
Gummy bear.
Gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. It's raining, look. What am I gonna do? What are we gonna do? Can you tell me what to do from here? Because it's raining. What we should do? No, from here. What we gonna do? I'll take you out or what?
Or stay here.
Yeah. What should we do?
Stay here.
Just stay here? In the car?
Yeah.
But how about you?
Yeah, I don't want to stay here again. It's the other things I like, and But I need to see Mary.
That's right. Yeah, we're here already, so you should go see your friends. So, should I take Celine out?
But it's still raining.
That's what I mean. I don't think it's hard. The rain is hard. We should be fine. Should be fine?
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your bag? Get your stuff ready. I'm gonna get Celine out and then we can go, okay? So Celine and I can go home before it rains hard. You say bye, Tito and Tita. I'll see you later.
And Tito and Slim will be and Slim he might be sad and he said
Yeah. Celine cries, doesn't she?
yeah, 'cause it's a baby.
Yes. You were like that before too. When you were a baby, you were crying. You used to cry like that. Wah, wah.
And then
Okay. So see you, Tito and Tita. We'll see you later.
so Celine Ray.
Narinig niyo yun, guys. Sorry, Celine Ray, kasi gumawa siya ng noise. Ito siya pag tinatawag niya ang kanyang kapatid. Full name talaga, guys. Hindi siya Celine or whatever. It's Celine Ray talaga. Is that your sister's name? Na-drop na namin si Ate Paris. Hi, who's been a good girl for mommy? Who's been a good girl for mommy? Ayan, nakabalik na kami sa car. Sobrang bilis, guys, kasi umuulan na naman. Sorry to bother your sleep, anak. Sorry, my love. You can go back to sleep now, okay? Alright? Titi. Are you mama's kid girl? Are you mama's kid girl? I love you, anak. I love you, Celine. We're going now, okay? We're going now. Yes? My princess. Hi. Hello. Andito na kami sa bahay. Nakatulog na pala ito siya. Kanina pa kami nakauwi eh. Hello, anak. Hello, my princess. Ha? Utot na ka. Utot ikaw? Utot. Oh, yes. Oh, is that smelly utot? Is that smelly bam utot? Just lang ka man ni mama eh. Yes. Big girl ikaw. Big girl ikaw. Ging ging ging. Ging 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 ging. Ging ging ging. Ngayon pa lumiwanag sa labas. Oh, kanina maulan. Sobrang nahirapan ako. Ang ating Daddy Mike, hindi pa pala nakauwi. Hindi pa natapos yung kanyang buhok. It's now 2:16 ng hapon, anak. 2:16 ng hapon! Pero okay lang naman kasi yung work ni Daddy Mike, mag-start naman siya around 3:30. Okay lang yan, di ba na? Plano ni Mami, guys, ako sa Saturday, gusto kong treatment lang ang aking hair. Hindi na pa kulayan kasi okay pa naman yung kulay niya, guys. Tingnan niyo. Okay pa naman siya. Kahit natumubo na yan dyan. Balayage look na lang. Gusto ko lang ipa-treatment para hindi siya masyadong dry. Para may buhay din naman siya. Kasi patay na ang ating buhok sa kulay. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, if possible, kung okay lang, sa Saturday. Tapos, kung magpakulay naman, guys, matagal bitaw siya. Matagal siya matapos. And, alam niyo naman, meron tayong baba. Diba? Baba. Just big smile. So, hindi tayo makakaalis talaga ng matagal. So, treatment is okay. Kasi, I'd say 45 to 1 hour at least. And, oh, ito pala yung ano, guys. Oh, pakita ko sa inyo yung regalo ni Daddy Mike for me. Nakita nyo na to eh. Kanina. Sa ating, ano. Ayan. So, this is a ring na diamonds. Ayan. Kita nyo ba, guys? Ayan. Kasi, alam nyo naman, alam ni Daddy Mike kung gaano ko kahilig sa ano, guys, mga jewelry, diba? Kasi, na-mention ko na sa mga videos ko before, it's an investment. And also, I can hand them down to Paris and Celine one day. Ayan yung binili niya. So, this is, K18 kasi from Japan. And 1 point something carat na diamonds. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Sobrang ganda niya, tingnan. Tapos, dyan ko na lang siya nilagay. What do you think of it? Very thoughtful naman si Daddy Mike, ay. Ang ring man ang bigay kay Mama ay, hey! Hey! Sabi ko naman kay Daddy Mike, guys, like, to be honest, itong batang itay, si Ate Paris, they're more than enough for me. Like, you know, walang material na bagay yung ang tawag dito, kaka-level. Of course naman, diba? But yeah, they are the most precious thing na natanggap ko sa aking birthday, anak. You are the most precious thing ng Ate Paris. But yeah, sabi nga na Daddy Mike, you know, this is just, gesture, good gesture, ganyan. Kasi alam niya, ganito daw yung gusto ko. But yeah, thankful naman si Mommy. Grateful naman si Mommy, anak, diba, nak? Daddy tayo, sunak. Daddy.
So,
Ayan, it's very dark.
why have you got the heater on, Mama?
Have a look at Daddy Mike.
Like.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cute.
Yes.
Sobrang tagal na yan, Daddy Mike, hindi nakapag-haircut. When was the last time you had your haircut, Daddy? You look so different.
You gonna cry again? Last time I had a haircut was in May or June or July.
Yeah. It's COVID. Been around. Did you color it or what?
No.
Huh?
No, I changed my mind.
Baby?
I actually did. I just put some highlights in the fringe.
Baby? Been around? Yeah, so this one here, nothing?
No,
Why it took so long then?
it's my natural colour.
Why it took so long then? If it's just this one.
Because it takes a while, and then I had something to eat.
Alright, that's...
No, like I literally just had something to eat and then I left.
Yeah. Ah, cool.
Oh, and I had to wait for Uber.
In sync.
In sync. Zayn Malik.
So it's now 5:40 ng hapon, guys. We are going to pick up Ate Paris now. Hinihintay lang namin si Daddy Mike nag-toilet. Aww. Ito talaga, guys, I think nag-iipin talaga to siya kasi she loves biting na. And then, sobrang drool. Grabing laway-laway ng bataan eh. Grabing laway-laway. Daddy! Dugay man niya among lali eh. Naamong Ate Paris doon. Who is teething? Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Boo. Can you see your face? Can you see your face? Ah. Boo. Boo. It's now 6 o'clock ng gabi. And nandito kami sa sasakyan. So we're on our way to pick up Ate Paris from school. And I just want to present the new
And improved.
Michael Mackenzie. Show them your hair, Daddy. What do you think about his hair, guys? So ito lang yung pinakulayan na sa harapan. Highlights. Tapos the rest is yung normal hair lang niya. So like, yeah, the, you know, dark brown hair.
I asked him if it's black or brown.
And is it brown? Yeah, it's dark brown. So, I showed them before, Daddy, your gift to me.
Oh yeah. Do you like it?
So yeah, it was my birthday. I told them how we celebrated the birthday yesterday. I just said, like, you know, you made it special in your own way. your own simple way. You know, for me, it's not all about like, you know, material things. The important thing for me is like health. Seriously, health. That is what we all need right now.
Those two things that's very important in life. Health and time.
Yeah. I know.
Because both of them, once they're gone, you can't get it back.
Correct. Yeah, here it is. Well, hindi siya mag-focus, guys. But yeah, I super love it. I don't know why it's not focusing.
There's too much bling. The diamond's upsetting the
Yeah, it is actually, it's marked here, guys. K18 1.03 carat diamond. That is. Here, there you go. So, ayan siya. So, half eternity. Naring lang. No, it looks very nice. I like it. Anyways, we gotta go. We gotta go because before our baby sitting cries, she's been good because pinadede ko lang siya, guys, bago ko lang siya pinadede. Sinukahan niya pala ako. Nag-spit up siya, oh. Hindi na nagbihis si mami. Ay, hayaan niya na. See you, baby girl. Baby girl, we're going. Can you say, see you there, tita and tito? I can't wait until Celine says that. Soon. Next year she will. Pabibo talaga to si Paris. Hi. Oh, she's sleeping, anak. Hi, how are you? I love you.
No.
What are you looking for?
Candy.
Hindi ko talaga nakalimutan, guys, ang kanyang candy. Later, kasi ito na ako. It's very windy.
Yeah, I want
Okay. Now make sure what to do.
two.
Chew. That's right. I love you. Just sit down already. I miss you today.
Sit down, Baba.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
That's good. What did you do?
I have the race and I win.
Again.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Marry you again.
Paris said,
Paris.
you know the first thing Paris said to Daddy? What did you say to Daddy when you seen Daddy?
I get angry.
No, what did you say to Daddy tonight? I like your hair.
Do you like Daddy's hair now? Do you like Daddy's hair? Does Daddy look handsome?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You can still change your mind.
Daddy looks good, doesn't he? That is beautiful.
You are there.
Aww.
Give me a big kiss. Mwah. I love you.
Mom, you beautiful too.
Aww, am I?
Yeah?
Aww.
You too.
And Celine too? Ganyan talaga yan siya, guys. Wala talaga yan siyang favoritism. Lahat beautiful. Na. You are very beautiful too, Paris.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you are. Why are you beautiful?
Because I look like that.
How is she like?
Okay, we'll go. We'll go.
Go, Power Ranger.
Strawberry kiss, there's nothing as sweet as taste. Still drive me crazy.
Celine can scream, can't she now?
Yeah, she's a big girl.
She's a big girl. Are you a big girl?
I said,
What did you have?
pizza.
Pizza. Yeah, we have pizza, guys. Ito na lang naiwan.
And I eat some pizza too.
Did you eat pizza too?
Yeah.
How about Celine? Did you eat pizza na?
He eat it too.
He or she? Now. Parisha. What did you do at school today?
Play with Mary.
What else?
And Mary gets sad.
Oh,
Because I win the race.
because you won the race? What did you tell her? Did you tell her that it's okay, do better next time?
Nope.
Really? Oh, you should have comforted her now.
Now, and now I'll have to put my mask. I'll get a kitten one.
Okay.
I like kittens.
Nasa isa na ka mata. Where's the other eye?
Alright.
Ang bata ni Mama. Si Mami, Daddy Mike is working. There, he's working. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hello.
Nanak, did you po na? Why is that I can smell something, man?
No.
May kailangan pa akong ihanggay.
Just kidding.
Just kidding?
Yes, it's me. It's me.
Did you poo?
No.
Promise?
No.
Promise?
No.
Nak, what do you want from Santa for Christmas?
Diana treasure chest and Diana bubble.
Why?
And one for sisters. Smash toys.
What is it?
Smash toys.
Smash toys?
Yeah.
And what would you like for Baby Celine? Because Baby Celine can't talk us yet. If you have to ask Santa for a present for Baby Celine, what would you ask? What would you like Santa to give to Baby Celine?
Smash toys.
Smash toys? No, that might be too small for her.
But he's very small. He can't talk yet. He have to talk like this. Ah, hello. Like that.
No. Nak, did you enjoy Mama's birthday yesterday?
Yes.
Where did we go?
He's shopping.
Did we really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mama got you some toys, yeah?
Where?
Yeah, yesterday.
I didn't choose one.
Yeah, you didn't choose one.
Yes, Baba 4.
Yeah. So it was Mama's birthday, but Mama bought you toys instead. Do you know why?
Because I've been a good girl.
And
I've been a good girl.
and I
Went to the shop.
I love you. That's why.
Ah, yes. That's why Baba would take the decorations.
Yeah, we didn't get decorations.
Why?
Mama said.
It's okay. We can get some decoration for you.
But my birthday is finished already.
That's okay. You can do your birthday later again.
Again?
Yeah.
Do you think we can celebrate later?
Later. When's your birthday? Name 3. For so and not 5 of not 6
Oh, you didn't sing happy birthday to Mommy. Show Tita and Tito Bihayu sang happy birthday to Mommy. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Oh, please thank Mommy.
Now you wanna play a game?
Okay, sweetheart.
I got
Ang good, this one, oh.
4.
Tanawa, oh. Tingnan niyo to, oh. Pamira nagbuhok.
I got 4.
I got 4. Agay nak. Linday.
Okay, for you.
I don't poo. It's alright, nak. That's because Mama's hair is tangled. That's why.